Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Yeah, so I've ridden about 561 kilometers on my brand new Xpulse 4V. So I've come to RT Krishna, the dealer from where I bought the bike, for my first service. The service booking was done in a very seamless manner. It just took about 5 minutes for the person to get his tab and do the service booking. So he's registering it on the system. So meanwhile, while we wait for the Xpulse specialist to come, we will see what they offer in the roadside assistance. So this particular roadside assistance package was given along with the vehicle, free of cost, no additional charges. So they talk about fuel delivery, on spot mechanical and electrical repairs, flat tire, towing to nearest service center. So this is already provided with the vehicle. So just in case you need to avail, you can avail. They have something called Hero Service Digital Connect, where you can scan this QR code and you can do your service bookings, provide service feedback, self upload a job card, view your service invoice, etc., etc. So it directly takes you to WhatsApp, and there is a chat bot in place which walks you through the instructions. That's a good thing. Friends, the vehicle has been placed on the ramp, and so now it's being sprayed with a jet of water to remove all the dust and debris from the vehicle. And I think after this they would apply foam and then rinse it again. So foam has been applied to the bike thoroughly, and bike has been completely rinsed or wiped with the cloth. And now I think the final step is to rinse it with fresh water, and then that completes the washing procedure. bike is spick and span, totally cleaned. Now I think they would take this out and dry wipe it before they put it to the service. After it was washed and totally dried, then put on the ramp and the side panels being removed to perform the service. So Mr. Vinraj is the service manager here, and I just met him today morning, and he is very pleasant and cordial. And if you happen to visit Arctic Krishna, definitely have a word with him. And very knowledgeable person from a service point of view. So he's personally attending the vehicle to make sure everything is taken care in a proper manner. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So I think they will go as per the checklist, what is there in the owner's manual, and check each and every aspect of the bike to make sure everything is in proper order. All the nuts, bolts, air filter, spark plug, all those will be checked. Brakes would be checked. All the stuff would be checked as part of the first service. And another thing was, of course, the engine oil what is being used on this bike is fully synthetic now. So that guarantees the performance of the bike. But it does cost, I think, 1000 rupees or 1100, but definitely suggest to go with that. So right now air filter is being opened up and checked. So Mr. Vijay is attending the vehicle, and he is now aligning the chain. Because initial 500 kilometers the chain does get a bit loose, so he is adjusting the chain to make sure it is properly aligned. This is the air filter element what is being taken out, and I think that will be so the alignment markings over here and on the other side need to match. Like this. Then we are good. filter being cleaned with pressurized air. What is that liquid, sir?
This is a cleaner.
Okay. So air filter box was cleaned completely with the cleaner to make sure there is no dust. And I think it will be wiped dry before they put the air filter back into the box. There goes the air filter inside. Sir, when does this air filter need replacement?
Sir, that is the road condition.
Okay. So will it come for 1 year? 10,000?
No, 10,000 no. Around 5 to 6,000.
5 to 6,000. Okay.
Sir,
And how much
main
does
is
this
the road condition.
how much does this cost if I have to replace?
200 and change.
Okay. So guys, depending on your road condition and where you ride, air filter might need replacement once in 5 to 6,000 and cost only about 200 rupees. So it's best to replace it at the second service. Bike is being cleaned with the cleaner, all the plastic parts, and wiped dry. And spraying it on the metal parts and all will help prevent any kind of rusting, right? Like a preventive maintenance. It's a 3M cleaner what's being used here. Any additional water from the washing is being removed to make sure it is dry. So now the process of chain cleaning is going on. The same 3M chain cleaner being used. Clean the chain. The chain is being cleaned with the pressurized air to remove all the debris and the cleaner off the chain before it is being lubed. Now it has to soak a little bit ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ soak ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
You can see all the dirt from the chain dropping down because the cleaner has been applied. Chain loop what is being used at Hero, it's a 3M chain loop 2.0. It's high performance and low maintenance for bike change. Compatible with O-ring, X-ring, Z-ring. Reduces dust attraction on the chain. So and penetrates into the chain linkages, making sure it lubricates the chain adequately. So it's a good product what is being used. So the bash plate has been removed, my friends, and the bike is idling so that oil circulates, and then it will collect all the sediment and the oil will be drained out. So right now the chain is being lubed. The linkages, O-rings, all are being lubed adequately on both the sides, front and back. So my friends, oil is being drained, the engine oil. Let's see how much oil comes out.
1200 sir.
1200 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಹೊಸ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾಂ,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕುಡ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ನೆಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿಂದ
ಹಾಂ.
1200.
We will let the oil drip for some time so that most of the oil comes out of the bike before the fresh oil would be filled in. Spark plug is being inspected. So this is the spark plug what is there in the bike. It will be checked for cleanliness and the gap between the electrodes. The spark plug has been cleaned and being fitted back on the bike. So oil has been drained, and this is the oil what I'm putting in. Super Premium 4T Plus engine oil. So I'm going with this oil because apparently synthetic oil stock is not available right now, and I'm going to use this for about say 1000 kilometers and replace it with the synthetic oil. So 1200 ml of oil goes into the sump. Expulse takes 1200 ml oil. The bash plate is being put back onto the bike as the oil change has been completed. Are being cleaned, cleaner applied and then totally being cleaned. Rotor has been completely cleaned with the solvent and then wipe dry. That's good to go. And the chain is rolling much more smoothly now. Probably it had gotten a bit loose after initial running, but after this cleaning and applying the lube, it has got very smooth. Done with the service. I think probably now the bike will be taken for a round of polishing. Service reminder is being flashing there, which is be turned off now. The service reminder is gone. So tire pressure is being checked. So rear happens to be 36. If you want to do doubles along with the pillion, so 36 is being set at the rear. It was 34. Has been set, and front 25 will be set in the front. 25 आगे sir. Final round of polishing and wiping in progress. Tire polish being applied to the tire side walls. So guys, final round of tire polish to the rear, and I'm all set. So I'll just finish the billing and head back home. So final step of the service, the billing process.
Thanks.
So we have the bill ready.
Engine oil
Okay, sir.
471
Okay.
and washer o-ring
Okay.
and chain loop and normal body polish.
Okay. All right. So my friends, all this put together, it is 587 is the bill. Yes, Mr. Vinraj promised me that next time when I come around, maybe after 1500 kilometers, I will replace the engine oil with the synthetic engine oil for longer duration running and performance, because synthetic oil can stay for about 5 to 6,000 kilometers. So he agreed to do that, and we will get it done at a later stage in a month's time. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, billing is done and I'm heading out. So if you have a Hero motorcycle and needing service, so definitely I would recommend RT Krishna. So I've got a good service and good experience so far here. So do please stay tuned and let me know in case of any questions. And Mr. Vinraj, thank you so much, sir. Really appreciate your support. So I will come back very soon for the next service.
Okay.
Huh? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.